start a business first with what you do or sell. Every company and individual knows that. Some even know how to do very well, even in a million ways that makes them unique and stand out. But that's not enough, because only a few, very little company or people know why they do what they do. Because why is not about the money. Money is just the result. Why is bigger. It is the belief. It is the purpose. This is the Select Golden Circle model. It includes the why, the core purpose of your brand. The how. This is how your brand will fulfill its purpose. And the what. This is what your brand will do to fulfill everything. Don't start from the outside, which is what we do, how we do it, and why we are doing it. Instead, start with why we do it, then how do we do it, and lastly, what do we do to fulfill it? Because that will help influence the behavior of your target audience and help your brand stand out from the crowd. Need help with this? Get branded at bradital.com.